प्रिय छात्राः स्वागतम्. Welcome to class 7 Sanskritam. In Sanskritam, this year will be so much fun. Last year you would have learned so much Sanskrit, new words, new actions, new numbers. This year will be also fun and interactive. Now in this section we will be covering all the chapters of semester 1 and 2. But कोई भी अच्छा काम करने से पहले किसे याद करना चाहिए? भगवान को याद करना चाहिए. So please don't skip this video. आपको पूरा साल अच्छा करना हो, so with dedication and with संपूर्ण devotion, भक्ति भाव के साथ ये 4 श्लोक वंदना के हम करेंगे.
प्रिय छात्राः नमस्ते, मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता. नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. हमारे साथ जुड़िए. प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आरंभम कुर्मः.
The first श्लोक is dedicated to मां सरस्वती. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Who says कि हम सब में विद्या है नहीं? When we are born, even a small baby knows when to cry and when to not, है ना? तो उसी तरह से हम सब knowledge के साथ आते हैं. How to sustain, how to feed, how to eat, how to talk. धीरे धीरे हमें सब आ जाता है because there is one vidya element inside us always. Who is living in us when we have knowledge? मां सरस्वती. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु, that is the goddess who lives inside each of the living beings. In which form? Vidya rupena samsthita, in the form of knowledge. Namastasyai namastasyai namastasyai, namaha and tasyai. I bow down, I offer my salutation. These are flowers, by the way. I am offering my salutation towards that God and that God. And last we say Namo Namaha, meaning we are saying Namaha, salutations to him. We are saying salutations to her. Let us chant the second shloka. Padhami Sanskritam Nityam, Vadami Sanskritam Sada, Dhyayami Sanskritam Samyak, Vande Sanskrita Mataram. By the way, who is Sanskrit Mata? Oh, me? No. Bharat Mata? No. Durga? Lakshmi? No. All these are different. Sanskrit Mata refers to Saraswati Devi itself. Why her? Sanskrit Mata, Sanskrit is one of the language, but Saraswati Mata is not only the goddess of education but also music and 64 types of arts. That's why Sanskrit Mata refers to Saraswati Devi. Vande Sanskrit Mataram. You must have your Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Similarly here, we are going down to Sanskrit Mata. How should we go down to Sanskrit Mata? Can we see her? Yes, we can feel her if we do these 3 things. Pathami, Vadami and Dhyayami. Pathami, I am reading. What? I am studying Sanskritam. When? Nityam, always. Vadami, to speak. I am speaking Sanskrit. Always. If you want to hear me speaking Sanskrit, check out the playlist of Listen to Sanskrit in our YouTube channel. Dhyayami Sanskritam Samyak. Dhyayami, to meditate. By meditating it means सिर्फ शास्त्र को पढ़ना नहीं है, शास्त्र के अंदर जो रहस्य है, जो लेसन्स है, वो उसका अनुपालन करना है. ध्यानम मननम निधिध्यासितव्यः तदेव अत्र उक्तम. ध्यायामि संस्कृतम, but how? सम्यक, properly. सभी functions के पहले it's very important to light a lamp, not the electrical one. Lamp like this. But before we go to this shloka, one disclaimer. आप अगर आपके स्कूल में या कोई इवेंट में दीप प्रज्वलन करते हो, पॉइंट नंबर 1 टू बी टेकन केयर, अपने जूते बाहर निकाल के फिर स्टेज पर आइए. पॉइंट नंबर 2, दिए से दिया जलाना है, न कि कैंडल से जलाना है। भारतीय संस्कृति में कभी सिक्तवर्ती का कैंडल से दीपक प्रज्वलन नहीं कहा गया है, पर क्योंकि वो इजी होता है टू मैनेज, people are using candles. So please avoid that. Let's say this with action. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhana sampadam shatru buddhi vinashaya दीप ज्योतिर नमोस्तुते। ये श्लोक मुझे इतना असर करता है कि wherever I see a diya or a deep, automatically I pass by and say दीप ज्योतिर नमोस्तुते। I am going down to this flame of light. Why? Light means knowledge and darkness means ignorance. This Deepa Jyoti, the flame of light, is doing Shubham, auspicious to everyone. Arogyam Dhana Sampadam, it is giving us good health and also wealth. And Shatra Buddhi Vinashaya, I go down to the flame of light so that I can destroy, what did I say previously? Ajnanam, ignorance. तो शत्रु की बुद्धि का नाश करने के लिए means हमारे अंदर, there is no शत्रु outside. Whenever we are ignorant, we are our own enemies. But to just destroy that Shatru Buddhi, we go down to this light. Finally, let's pray to the Paramatma, Parabrahma, Shri Krishna. We are going down not to Shri Krishna here, but to Kripa. Why Kripa? Kripa means the grace. You will find out shortly. Let's do it with actions. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langayate girim yat kripatamaham vande paramananda madhavam. It means I am going down to that greatness of Paramananda Madhavam, that Madhava that gives tremendous anand, happiness to everyone. Why I am praying to him? Because he is the one by whose grace Mukam, meaning a mute person, जो बोल नहीं सकता वैसा व्यक्ति, he can make him not only talk but talk too much. Vachal is the person who talks too much, a noisy person in fact. तो जो कुछ भी ना बोलता हो, उसे इनकी कृपा से बहुत कुछ बोलना आ जाता है. Just like me, in my school days, I was an introvert. I think throughout my junior college days also I was an introvert, the first bencher one, जो किसी से बात नहीं करती, पीटी पीरियड में कहीं बाहर नहीं जाती, अपने ही काम से काम रखती. But slowly and slowly, see the kripa of Bhagwan Madhav, that I became, I could not say I am a Vachal, but of course मैंने introvert के उस shell से बाहर निकली हूँ. So that is because of kripa. Next is Pangu. Who is a Pangu? Pangu is person who is lame, who cannot walk. अब जो चल ही नहीं सकता, उसे श्री कृष्ण की कृपा से एवरेस्ट, गिरी इज माउंटेन चढ़ सकते हैं. माउंटेन चढ़ना तो जिसके पास दो पैर है ना, उसके लिए भी डिफिकल्ट होता है टू ट्रैक. बट बाय द कृपा, complete opposite things are happening. So we should be always grateful for God for giving us everything. जो भी कुछ है हम उनकी वजह से है, हमारा कुछ भी नहीं है. It is said ना, अगर मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड से कोई नेकलेस लिया हो पहनने के लिए और वो नेकलेस लेकर मैं कोई फंक्शन में जाके बोलूंगी एंड शो ऑफ करूंगी, तो ऑफ कोर्स वो जो ऑर्नामेंट है वो मेरा नहीं है, वो मेरी फ्रेंड का है. तो वैसे ही जो भी हमारे में गुड क्वालिटीज है वो हमारे नहीं है, उनके द्वारा दिए हुए है. तो वी शुड नॉट बी वेरी अहंकारी by all good qualities we have. Okay, so always be under his kripa, his grace. Now let's start class 7.
Do some Parokar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. धन्यवादः.